Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, third chapter algebra, exercise 3.2. First subdivision, first sum I completed in my previous class. I will continue with the second sum. Find the GCD of the given polynomials. So here x power 4 term is there and here x power 3 is there. So we will rewrite this x power 4 as x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 1 for our convenience. So this we will divide it by x cube. So x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 1. So this is divided by x cube minus 11x squared plus x minus 11. So here x power 4 is there, here x power 3 is there. When we multiply it by x, we will get x power 4 term here. So x power 4 minus 11x cube plus x squared minus 11x. Okay, so now we will subtract both the terms. So this one will get cancelled, x power 4 will get cancelled. Here we will get 11x cube minus x squared plus 11x minus 1. So now plus 11, if we write it in the quotient, we will get 11x cube. 11 11s are 121 minus 121x squared plus 11x minus 121. Plus into minus is minus, minus 121. So now if we subtract, so 11x cube term will get cancelled. Here it will be 120x squared. Here plus 11x minus 11x will get cancelled. Then here also plus 120 will get. 121 minus 1, 120 will get. So this is 120x squared plus 120. Since we have 120 as common factor here, we will take that 120 common. The remaining is x squared plus 1. So this x squared plus 1, we will take this one and divide it by x cube minus 11x squared plus x minus 11. So we will take x squared plus 1 and x cube minus 11x squared plus x minus 11. Okay, so now we will multiply it by x to get x cube here. So x cube plus 1, that is x into 1 is x plus x. There is no x squared term, so we will write it as 0x squared. Now when we subtract this, x cube term will get cancelled, minus 11x squared. Then plus x minus x will get cancelled, minus 11 we will get here. Again, this 11 is the common term, minus 11, that we will take it out. Remainder is x squared plus 1. Now we will divide this x squared plus 1 with this x squared plus 1. We will get x squared plus 1 divided by x squared plus 1. 1 times x squared plus 1. So the GCD of the given two numbers, that is given two polynomials, x power 4 minus 1 and x cube minus 11x squared plus x minus 11. For that the GCD is x squared plus 1. Okay. Next sum is 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 12x squared minus 24x and 4x power 4 plus 14x cube plus 8x squared minus 8x. So if we take this as p of x, so p of x is equal to, here when we see all the terms, in all the terms 3 is the common factor. So we will take that 3 common. So we will get x power 4 plus 2x squared minus 4x squared minus 8x. The same way q of x, that is the second one, second polynomial if we take, in that 2 is the common factor. So 2x power 4 plus 7x cube plus 4x squared minus 4x. Then we will find the GCD of this 3 and 2 separately. So if we find the GCD of this 3 and 2, it will be 1 only. So we can leave this. So if we have some other number here as 6, 9 and all, then we have to find the GCD of this 3 and 2 separately, then multiply it with the final GCD answer that we are dividing this. Okay, so in this sum, since 3 and 2 is only there, the HCF of this 3 and 2 is 1. Okay, so now we will do the remaining numbers. We will divide the remaining numbers. So 2x power 4 plus 7x cube plus 4x squared minus 4x divided by x power 4 plus 2x square x cube 2x cube minus 4x squared minus 8x. So when we multiply this by 2, we will get 2x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 8x squared minus 16x. So when we subtract this, we will change the sign here. Then this x power 4 term will get cancelled. So the remaining will be 3x cube plus 12x squared. Then plus 16 minus 4 is 12x. So in all these three terms, again we are having 3 as the common term. So 3x cube plus 4x squared plus 4x. So we will take this term x cube plus 4x squared plus 4x and divide it by this. So x power 3 plus 4x squared plus 4x. We are going to divide x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 4x squared minus 8x by this x cube term. So when we multiply it by x, we will get x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 4x squared. So again subtract this, x power 4 term will get cancelled, minus 2x cube minus 8x squared minus 8x. So in all these three terms, minus 2 is common. Okay, so minus 2 into x cube plus 4x squared minus 4x. Okay, x cube plus 4x squared minus 4x. So that we will divide it by this. So x cube plus 4x squared minus 4x divided by x cube plus 4x squared minus 4x plus 4x. Here minus we have taken, so here plus, here also plus. So in both the sides plus only. So this x cube plus 4x squared plus 4x and this x cube plus 4x squared plus 4x we are going to divide. So that is one time. So x cube plus 4x squared plus 4x. So when we subtract this, all the terms will get cancelled. So we will get 0. So the GCD is x power 3 plus 4x squared plus 4x, or in all the three terms we can take x as common. So x into x squared plus 4x plus 4 is the GCD for the given numbers. Okay, so with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.